could have killed his body.
No, I don't say you not pick up your phone because you're there and they have food.
The kill is bad. And you think about food. You think me an idiot? You feel some up here they run my mouth to your girlfriend in there. We are doing people in me. You're not easy, boy. See if you hide yourself, so where you are doing. Yes, I think so. Try it. No, come in here, people. Oh, me move like an idiot. Sir, gone inside. Must steal, woman. Chat too much. This make an idiot boy here the day. No, what you plan? Me know what you plan. Don't come further. You want me lose my work. That's your plan.
God, them are rich people food here and
You can't do that. How you feel do that?
You're
the risk we.
You may say. I don't understand why you there go and like say you are no queen and no place and no palace. Because guess you need to keep yourself calm. Why you come as an antagonize the thing? When you see me do a little thing, I just strength me a try make the things strengthen up between me and me a try. Do a thing, you know. I can't fight all the things.
Yeah, you in the strength up on dragon. Don't disturb me.
Yeah,
don't disturb me. You think a fool. Look on the big old plan what we have in our life and this is a fool. See, you really turn up there so
Tell me, idiot boy. Really, I pray with me, I pray. I try to make life better. Crazy. Boy.
Touch. Tell me, idiot boy left his phone.
Jesse.
Yes, sir.
Food ready?
Oh, you know, sir, that was exactly what I was about to do. Mistress, wake yet?
No, she not wake yet. Food night, hungry man.
You can wait for a while, Mr.
No, wake her, man. She probably tired and probably her head hurt.
Okay, no
like
problem, that. No problem. No, it's supposed to be kitchen good food.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. No juice?
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, God, people are stressing, though, God. Can't give me a headache. Prayer, Father God.
It's good.
Jesus Christ.
Look, we open my restaurant, man.
I'm pleased.
It's good.
You're welcome. And this I like because me know if your girlfriend like raisin and stuff, me did find it.
You know, I feel special today.
You sure you never want me to wake her up because me
No, man, I had probably heard that. Don't you wake?
Okay, sir.
And show it, man. Thank you a lot. I appreciate it.
No problem, sir.
Yeah.
Damn idiot boy, they gonna see. Damn fool. Like you want me to lose work. Can't believe a liquor you to that.
Wait, Tracy.
Yes, miss.
Come here. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Baby. Wait. I tell her to cook.
Yeah, but I
I
did.
never tell her to prepare food. Keep my man.
Oh,
Why you share out the food and keep my man? While me asleep.
No.
And on your first day, I see you don't like your job.
Mister.
Everything good?
Everything is good, babe.
I'm sorry. I apologize when I need for
How dare you? How dare you give my man food while I am sleeping? Girl,
I'm sorry.
are you crazy?
No, me feel mad at me and me can't cook. Sorry about that. That won't happen again, I promise. I'll make
It
it
better
up to
not.
you.
It better not. This is your last chance. It better not happen again.
It won't happen again. Sorry. You won't be, I'm gonna share yours now. Okay.
It's like she don't even know what me I try to do. Me have her as my woman, me love her. But more she live some type of life where me never provide for another girl and me see a way how me can do it. And it's like she want to sabotage the thing and see it on her so she feel hurting and act like she don't feel hurting, but she use anger, ego, just to make me look one kind of way. Sometimes I really wonder if she look what she do. You know what? Don't even mid so because right now I want life in her. If I saw it go, man. I just want to know so me get. I want to know so me alright, man. Because she going like say she don't want alright in her life. But me know what me want. Why? It's like I'm a phone. Alright, let me didn't carry my phone. You know, so I left my phone in there. No, sir, wait. I left my phone in there place last. Wait. Oh, my phone having some information I have to have. My number in my phone, man. Wait. I can't really last my phone last, Lord Jesus. Just because me. No, sir. Bank information, heavy kind of information, no, sir.
Why? Sometimes I have to really wonder if I curse or a good luck. Imagine my man give me bun and then outside me get one good work. $15,000. $15,000, Lord God. If we ever knew, I would have said 20. I will go on, better God. So glad to me get work. One problem I have. So the girl want big problem, you know, God. Father, she don't even know how she a play with. Make she go on. Think me a simple girl. God, $15,000. God, must be a dream. Some boy never get rich without me. One thing, I can cook still, you know.
Tracy, what do you think you're doing?
Eating.
What are you doing at my family table? What's that?
Fritters, if you do want some.
You're offering me fritters? What about the food? You know what? What are you even doing at my table? Get up! Get up! Come this way. Don't you ever do that again. Here, you sit and you eat here. No, sir. This girl crazy. I really my glass, yeah, drink out her. My glass? Don't you know? You really never read the WhatsApp message? What's wrong with you? It coming like say this girl. You don't like your work. I see. You don't like it here.
Miss, I never think it would have been a
Don't
big
ever,
problem.
don't you dare use my glass ever again and sit at my family table. Who do you think you are?
It's a true when me come and me share the food, give your husband.
Don't even mention him.
I eat my meat.
From you come here, I be a big problem you cause. You cook, you share food with me, man. What is your problem, young girl? What is your problem?
Miss, I don't have no problem, miss. Me just because me dey here for
no, your fried fritters are gone at the dinner table. You're gonna eat round my family table.
Never want to eat food.
In my glass, and you see these cups? They were put here especially for you. For you, Tracy. Why you think they're here? You think it's for my man who drink out of them? No, it's for you. By the way, why are you not wearing your mask? Why you doing in my house without your mask?
Miss, cause me did not eat. Me couldn't eat with it on.
Don't you know that COVID is still going around? You're in my house. You just walk in like you own the place. No mask. Dinner table. Drinking from my glass. Feeding my man. What is wrong with you? You need to go and buy a pickle mask.
Me not have me, miss.
Oh, don't you worry about money. You have a job now. You will be earning soon. You will be earning. I don't want to see you again without a mask.
Yeah,
I don't want to see you at my dinner table. And I don't want to see you feeding my mask.
Yes, miss.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Because it seems like you got some big issues. Check it.
I could have what this for my father.